Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your you versus them reading. Let's see what's going on with you, Scorpio, what's going on with your person. And please know these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. Okay, so let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you again for being here. And yes, Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Scorpio, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. But for the duration of this reading, I will be calling them person A and person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, bottom of my deck, the overall energy of this reading is the moon in reverse. So all secrets are out. Things are already out in the open, it seems, or maybe somebody feels the other person is keeping secrets and wants to know what's going on. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, but let me just internalize this reading for a second. So what I'm seeing from person A's end, Scorpio, they want to come out of this regret and sorrow of something which didn't work out in the past. They don't want to spend any more time regretting the way things have not worked out. They want to now show up as somebody who's going to be taking charge and who's the perfect spouse maybe, or take control of a situation, be looked upon as somebody who is worth having in your life. Whereas person B is concerned, from what I feel, they've already moved on. They've already kind of moving on or moved on. They feel, in their mind, they feel the table has already turned, because I was with somebody who was very immature, who was a player, who was not the most authentic. So maybe person A was like that earlier, and that's the reason they had regrets and sorrow for the way they've behaved. But now they do want to show up as somebody who's become mature now. Earlier, I think the way person B is viewing them is as somebody who is very immature, who never took responsibility. So we'll check out what's happening in this connection, but first let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Scorpio and their person. All right. And I'm going to take a few from here, True Confessions. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. All right. Good to go, Scorpio. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. So this could be person B, who's, I think, already moved on and saying, I don't want to deal with somebody I've done one go around, and this person has turned out to be always very immature, and they've hurt me in the past. I don't think I can really love again. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. Like I said, something has changed in person B's life. They've already turned a new leaf. They've already moved on. They've started loving themselves. Maybe earlier they were giving too much attention to the other side, and this person hurt them. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. Now this is person A, I think, who is now in regret and sorrow, but trying to now no longer stay in that place where they're forever looking back and feeling bad about the way maybe they've been, or the way they've treated their partner. They do want to become worthy and show up as the King of Pentacles now. It was just not the right time for us. You're all I ever need to complete me. Missing you so much, we truly did have something special. When you left me, I felt like, no, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough. I think this is person A again, and they could be right because person B does feel or did feel that this person was not mature enough, or they were a player, or they were, kind of not taking responsibility of the connection. So yes, this could be person A saying that when you left me, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough for you. I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. This could be person B because they really tried and they didn't love themselves. They poured all their love to their partner who treated them maybe not that great and hurt them. Okay, so if this is kind of resonating with your storyline, Scorpio, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels will bless this reading, and then we'll clarify all these cards. So, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio, please. Blessings of abundance. I love this card. All right, so yes, I don't know which side is going to get this blessings of abundance. I have a feeling, of course, the person who did not do the wrong, who did not hurt the other person, is going to be blessed by the universe because they've picked themselves up. They've believed in themselves. They are, at least now they are. Maybe at one point they didn't, and somebody took advantage of that maybe. But now somebody is getting blessed by lots and lots of abundance, Scorpio. I hope that's you. Okay, so I'm going to put this card here, put this back, and start clarifying these cards. So as I said, for me this is person A. I'm only going to concentrate on one side. Don't get confused. This side could be you, this side could be your persons, okay? So for person A, Spirit, they have the 5 of Cups in reverse. Why is that? 5 of Cups in reverse and the King of Pentacles. Okay. They've broken their person's heart very badly, and that's the regret they have. They lost their person because maybe they did something, they kept secrets, or they had secrets. This person has been very emotional, I think, since their person left. They've been grieving, they've been looking back and regret and sorrow for whatever they've done. Now they want to come out of that place of always beating themselves up about what happened. They want to heal the broken heart now. They want to heal things between person A and person B. This person has been, this is a card of sometimes fear, sometimes being emotional, sometimes having secrets, sometimes being very emotionally wrapped up in your brain. I don't know, but they do want to now end this fight between person A and person B. They would love it if they could just turn the clock back and get out of this place of feeling always bad about the way things haven't worked out between the two of you. Now they do want to show up as more mature, it seems. King of Pentacles, Spirit. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Yes, they know they know that they've really hurt their partner very, very badly. They know that their person is still very upset and angry with them. They don't trust them. They maybe don't even want to move towards them now. They know that the betrayal that was done was quite severe, and whatever happened between the two of you, and they also sense that the person will no longer tolerate any more secrets, any more lies, any more wishy-washy behavior. They know that their person now has their boundaries up and is quite strict, I think. So they have to either show up correct or not at all. They know that. They know they can't come back in the same energy anymore. So, what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to get this feeling? Six of Pentacles in reverse. Things were never balanced between the two of you. One person was always giving, one person was always taking, and maybe it was this person A who was breadcrumbing person B, and because of that reason, this connection, I think, totally halted. Maybe there were third parties in the mix as well, but something was not working out at all in a balanced and good way. Things were just not equal between the two of you, and I think because of that reason somebody made a decision to kind of just end this connection altogether, which could be person B's decision, right? Yes, they went off for a new beginning for themselves. They went off for a new beginning for themselves because they felt, I can find happiness somewhere else. They went on to finding maybe their own happiness or something, but they made a decision to halt this connection. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Person A is not happy. They're not happy. They still have a lot of passion for person B. They've not been happy, I think, since person B has left their life. Sun in reverse, Spirit? What's the Sun in reverse? They don't like the fact that their person is now holding back from them, has become strong. They can no longer, control them. They would love to maybe bring them back into some kind of a commitment, but they feel their person has become too strong now, and they're not happy about the fact. They're not happy that their person has become, got boundaries up or is stronger, and person A really wants them back in a commitment, but they know it's not going to be easy. They feel person B is quite strong and doing very well in their own life now, and it's going to be a little difficult task to maybe get them back. And the more successful person B becomes, person A feels that unhappy, because they feel they may not be able to get them back now. They do want to have victory over this connection. They want to win person B back by any means possible. They still have a lot of passion for person B, and they would want create a passionate new beginning to start with person B again. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, see? Oh God, they do want a fresh new beginning. I just finished saying that. They want a fresh, brand new beginning with passion, with love, not love I don't say, but yes, they do want a passionate new beginning, fresh new beginning. They want to win over person B by maybe now showing up as the King of Pentacles. But they know it's not going to be an easy task, because they know that person B is quite strong now. Not just strong, strict, doing very well in their own life. It's not going to be an easy task. So, yes, and that burdens them. They feel very overwhelmed with the thought of how they can win person B back now. So let's see what action person A is going to take. I'll open later, Scorpio. Let's go on to the other side, see what's happening here. So person B has the Wheel of Fortune. Luck is on their side, it seems. Wheel of Fortune for person B, Spirit. Yes, they have already turned their back. They are very happily looking out to see what else is out there. They are, I think, contemplating their own life and seeing, maybe new horizons, waiting for their ships to come in. They have not been happy with the investment that has been put in this connection till now. They feel it was a waste of time. I spent so much time, energy, emotion, and nothing really grew here. So it's time for me to turn my back and go out and see what else is out there. And I think they're quite successful in that as well. So Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands. Yes, they feel their person should not have treated them like an option. They should have made the right choice when the time was right, and all they did was behave in a very immature manner. And I don't think person B is too much in a hurry to offer anything brand new again. As much as person A is wanting this brand new beginning, person B is not that sure. They've already made their choice that I'm not interested. I'm not interested to go back to a place which is going to make me feel that way again, whichever way. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be so sure of this? The world in reverse. I think they did leave a little window open. They didn't really shut the chapter down, but each time I think they had a go around with the person A, they felt emotionally manipulated. They felt they were the only ones putting in work in this connection, and even though the door was open for interaction or whatever, they felt that that person always kind of ended up making a fool of them or emotionally manipulating them or hurting them, and never ever ever doing the right thing, always making things not just. So justice in reverse. Justice in reverse. So that's the reason person B has now walked away. They've walked off either to find new love for themselves, or they've gone into a total self-love mode. Person B has already walked off. Why? Because they never ever found justice in this connection. So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Person B still feels this is not a connection which is ever going to bring me healing. It's very, very imbalanced, and they feel it's the best choice would be to release this connection and get out of feeling stuck. They don't want to get stuck in a situation again which is going to bring in any trouble or any imbalance into their life. And yes, they don't feel happy. They pretend to be happy, but actually heart of hearts they feel that this connection is not going to make me happy. It's best that I don't get stuck in this loop once again. And yes, they have the world in their hands. They're already on their way out. They're already planning their next move. They are planning to completely release this connection, from what I feel. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, this person is into self-love big time. They've put a lid on that cup of love of theirs, and they're saying, I'm giving all this big cup of love which I was giving to my person now to myself. And I'm going to find something new out there. My ships are coming in. I'm not going to go back to a place which has never brought me justice. So person A, are you going to take any action to win your person back? The Hanged Man in reverse. Why is that in action, Spirit? That person... As much as person A wants to come out of the stuck place that they find themselves in, I think person A is still doing things in a very immature manner. They're still coming from a very self-centered and selfish place. King of Wands in reverse and the Knight of Wands in reverse. This person is still in that same low vibrational energy. I think because they feel that person may not give them, a new beginning. That's so strange. Is that it, Spirit? Anything that person A is going to do now? Any action? No, all they're doing is spying. All they're doing is, see, this was the first card, I think, right? No. All they're doing is spying on that person, trying to get information about this person, maybe not even directly asking them anything or directly talking to them, but getting information from other sources. This person is still not really matured. They may be pretending to be that way, or they may be wanting to be seen that way, but person A, the action they're planning to take is still very for themselves. It's for their own need. It's not because they love person B so much or anything like that. This is only because they want them back. It's one-sided. I don't like this. And what they're doing is gathering information, spying on person B all the time, trying to figure out how to manipulate them. Person B, what are you going to do? Are you going to take any action towards person A? Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? No, they're not even giving it the time of day. They're delaying making any decision. They don't even want to see, they don't want to think, they don't want to make any choice, any decision. They feel, I don't even want to look at this connection which made me feel so ungrounded. So they try, and I think person B is trying to delay any interaction with person A because somewhere in their heart they know that they have already given up, and they maybe don't want to be rude to say, they don't want to say no, but heart of hearts, I think this person is already on their way out. One more card, Spirit, for the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this person's not happy. No. I think the connection is open for maybe some reason. Maybe you have kids, or you have business or relatives or something which forces you people to still be in touch, because the death is in reverse, right? So there is something which stays open, but person B is in absolutely no rush to make any kind of decision, because they know that they have been knocked down before, they have been emotionally drained out in this connection, and I don't think person B really wants this anymore. 10 of Cups in reverse. They feel this is never going to bring me happiness. So they're pretending, I think they're pretending to be around, but actually they've already left. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Hope it worked. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.